If accounting feels like too much manual work, Xero is designed to make the day-to-day side of business finances easier to manage.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi there, and welcome back to Best Reviews. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Xero, a cloud-based accounting platform for small and mid-sized businesses. Xero brings together bookkeeping, invoicing, bills, expenses, financial reporting, and collaboration in one online workspace. It also includes mobile apps, project tools, and inventory features, and a large marketplace of third-party integrations. We'll go through what it's like to use, its main accounting features, pricing and deals, customer support, and who it's best for. And as always, check the full review on bestreviews.net for the latest offers and up-to-date details. Getting started with Xero begins with the initial account setup. Businesses can follow Xero setup guides on their own, including video tutorials that walk through the process. There's also Xero Coach, a free onboarding service available during the first 90 days. It helps new users configure their business, which can be useful if they want extra guidance before fully moving their accounting into the platform. Once the company profile, bank accounts, branding, and preferences are set up, users land on a customizable dashboard. This dashboard uses movable widgets to show key areas like checking and savings accounts, bills to pay, expenses waiting review, and profit and loss data. Some widgets include charts, which makes important numbers easier to understand at a glance. The main navigation menu also keeps Xero's core tools easy to reach, including sales, purchases, reporting, accounting, tax, contacts, and projects. For everyday tasks, Xero includes handy shortcuts for actions like creating invoices, bills, codes, and purchase orders. There's also a document storage area where users can upload files or email them directly to the platform. Xero also includes Just Ask Xero, a beta AI assistant that can help with tasks like invoices, codes, and business questions. Overall, the interface feels modern and polished, although a few secondary windows look slightly different from the main dashboard. Xero's biggest focus is helping businesses automate accounting tasks, reduce manual bookkeeping errors, and get a clear picture of their financial health. One of its most important tools is Smart Invoicing. The sales section gives users a clear view of incoming revenue, overdue invoices, billable expenses, and code statuses. Users can create professional invoices, send codes, and convert accepted codes into invoices with a click. Integrated Pay Now buttons from partners like Stripe also make it easier for clients to pay instantly. Xero tracks invoice activity in real time, so users can see when a client opens an invoice and follow up more easily. It also supports automated reminders with customizable timings such as 7, 14, and 21 days past due. Inventory management is another useful area. Depending on the subscription, Xero can track stock levels, automate billing, analyze sales data, and connect inventory directly with accounting. The purchases model works as an accounts payable hub. Users can pay bills inside Xero through online bill payments, upload or email vendor invoices, and use HubDoc to extract document data into draft bills. Bank reconciliation is one of Xero's standout features. Through secure connections with financial institutions, transactions sync daily, and Xero's smart reconciliation engine helps match bank statement lines against invoices, bills, and past classifications. Xero also includes advanced accounting tools like customizable chart of accounts templates, smart bank rules, bulk recording tools, an assurance dashboard for transaction anomalies, and an audit-friendly history and notes log. For payroll, US users need to integrate Xero with Gusto. This adds an extra dependency, but for businesses that already use Gusto, it can streamline payroll taxes, direct deposits, payslips, and syncing payroll expenses back into Xero. There are also project tracking and reporting tools. Teams can log staff hours, record project expenses, view live profit margins, and customize financial statements with a drag-and-drop report builder. On mobile, Xero lets users reconcile transactions, send invoices, make expense claims, snap receipts, track mileage, and submit reimbursements from Android and iOS apps. Xero also has a separate projects tab for time tracking. Finally, Xero's integration marketplace includes more than 1,000 certified third-party integrations, with examples like Stripe, GoCardless, Shopify, and Sift Analytics. Xero has 3 monthly plans, and Best Reviews exclusive 90% discount makes the first 6 months much cheaper for new users. The early plan is normally $25 per month, but the offer brings it down to $2.50. It's aimed at freelancers and new startups, covering quotes, up to 20 invoices, 5 bills, HubDoc receipt capture, and a 30-day cash flow forecast. Next is the growing plan, which drops from $55 to $5.50 per month during the promo period. This removes the invoice and bill limits while adding bank reconciliation, customizable dashboards, and a 60-day cash flow forecast. For businesses that need more advanced tools, the established plan goes from $19 to $9 per month. It includes multi-currency support, project tracking, expense management, KPI analysis, and a 180-day cash flow forecast. Since pricing and promotions can change, check the full review on bestreviews.net for the latest Xero deals before signing up. Xero offers a wide range of support resources, including a learning center, online courses, webinars, a blog, and video tutorials. For direct help, Xero provides 24/7 online support through a contact form. After submitting a ticket, we receive the solution within 30 minutes. Our experience is reflected in Trustpilot's Xero page, which has a positive feedback, including comments about helpful onboarding and fast response times. The company is also active on social media channels like Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and YouTube. Xero is a powerful cloud accounting platform with several strong advantages for growing businesses. Its biggest strengths are seamless automated bank reconciliation, unlimited user collaboration, native expense capture, robust inventory management, and massive integration support. On the flip side, some secondary windows feel less polished than the main interface. Time tracking also requires the separate Xero Projects app, and US payroll requires an additional Gusto integration. Considering the positives and negatives, Xero is especially helpful for e-commerce businesses and retailers that want more accurate books, easier chart access, faster expense handling, better stock control, and the flexibility to connect Xero with sales, payment, and reporting tools. For more details and the latest offers, head to our full review at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!